Hello, good day. Throwsnail here, and we have a new patch release of Source of Magic being released today, and I just want to quickly show you some of the new features and fixes. The most apparent one is probably this new ability to replay and play events in rooms other than the player character is in. For instance, I can see here from these noise indications that something has happened in this room in this turn. Previous to this, I could deduce it. I could see there's a dead rat icon here, but now I can click on this room and hit replay this turn, and it will show me exactly what happened. So our rat spawned and it got killed by that skeleton. Additionally, in these preset actions buttons for the player, if you hover over them now, it will give you some hover text clues in terms of what ability score the resolution of that action is based on. In this case, it's strength, and it'll show you the intrinsic difficulty. In this case, it's -8, which is extremely difficult. So this should help a lot for the player to evaluate what actions to do next, and also how likely they are to succeed based on their character build and character statistics. In addition to this, there were fixes. The flee state, when a morale breaks during combat, wasn't really working before, so that's been fixed. You'll see it in the visualizer vignettes, like the one I just showed you here. Now when entities flee, you will see that. You'll see a flee state, and you'll see them run away, and they'll have a little yellow circle above their head indicating they're in the flee state. So that got fixed. Also softened tendencies. These are personality trait system modifications, or fixes really. Actually, I'd call this a rebalance, but the tendencies come from certain room tendencies. So this room has forest and terrifying. Terrifying is a room tendency that can give a entity tendency of paranoia, and you can see in this case, Rattlefang the rat did pick up that tendency. But now there's another layer. These were here before, but there's interests now. Interests are kind of a soft precursor to a full tendency. But you can read the release notes in the player guide if you want more information on that. But yeah, a nice little patch release today. I think the vignette replay mode will help a lot. And it also works in simulation mode for those that don't want to or can't install the local AI. Thank you for watching.